Here we're given our standard Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and they want us to go ahead and solve for a or get a by itself. So we take our equation, and the first thing we're trying to do is get a by itself, so we want to go ahead and move anything with next to the a over to the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and just subtract this b squared over to the other side. So out of there I get a squared equals c squared minus b squared. And then to get rid of the squared on that a, I just need to square root it. So square roots cancel out squareds. And so I'm just going to square root both sides of this equation. So the squared on the left-hand side cancels out, and I'm left with a equals the square root of c squared minus b squared. And square roots can only cancel single things or things being multiplied or divided. So when we have a c squared minus a b squared, we can't do any more simplification than that. And so that right there would be our final answer. You'd be looking at answer D.